Emma Kumawood, baby, a ode echo. Na dear me pesa meka, some wakasa bebre. Na asembia ye kano, yembremu mua NFF wa aban name. Enya money and mo, ye cast and some fans say James Gardner now we no worker. NFF some and a ye can. Because for so many years, ye nimni echo, yentini echo. Even young Asante region has said, say, ye wa ye nipani bebre, sini chafo bebre wa Asante region. Obi nim say, or crack so open if ya baby oko. Obi nim pa, ye kase enefia, obekoneho. Eno anama ye nyina ye ni abra ye de ye kasa. Ena adum bi na adum ye so. Ena minister Daroma. Motimi aba moni ye edi nsa woso yi. Na se eba se bibi kura na ekoso a. Enkran ubeti aye say na the same gag platform. Ube hwa na bela samwade abeto so. Hwa ye ekosei. Simple. And no crab be a 3 days time. Nessa who pepper say, who pe bibia kwa, obey a den wako. Assembly your question ye. Entino debiano, yes, Ashanti region, my yemu. My yemu be anywhere coswa, our film industry moi, more de ya come. Just I didn't ye be one say, I didn't and I'm 10 times so. Nay, I hear. Yaka actors and actresses in Swa, a big Kumasi pa, a big Ashanti region. And tis a baby sa air coffee. Nasa ya Ashanti region, no. Ye mu, na ye nimbia. Ya mi jahajna, ya num de attack on crying. Ti normally, ya na invitations be or one, or mutimi or naye. Yen yanum actors be woo, Ashanti region ha. Obi wo honoma or ye actor. Or your actress, but on him nothing. Our movie industry. Ye penny Zak or Casa. Once Zak the Ojifu and Yam Ojik Micah, Nina Sunu Gujem. HSA, I feel no obey alphabet, they can't free stroke at the above from. It is a moment watching Mike near Kikemwa, Yenimiadie. Na no can be as Asok. Say, yes, now ye movie cry, yen fam me to, yen fam me register, and yen be a me person me bisa say oba ye. We be a when ye be a to one my say, we ye movie ye be a say, that way to that way, the register or movie. You question person bisa no.
Pacho you, ye da say, obey you one no.
I ain't no yes remo. And yamona ye takemo. Name momono. A choir minister Obama yen, ye besremo. Say, be near Ashanti region, yes, ye can movie industry no.
Yeah, that's it. Pamacho, last question. If we are side home, last question, na and penny for answer.
Any dear woman say na makasaka kra. Besramo. Sir, before my mom found me, near day I'm a form. Mano bepa. The entire mano bepa say, my entire life, you know, my investing was anymore. I was in my entire life, you know, my investing was anymore. It's a bus near Samoa. I am not me hook coming. Entino mano bepa. And I'm say my invest my lifetime when you know was in the Montino. Regional Minister Namin Shao. Ye regional minister since I'm a best in the by 95. I'm a first in a free talk by the Kumasi. Kumawood Abejinano. Me who will be done. Namin Shao. Regional ministers are more than Papa Nye. Regional minister Papa Nye.
Dr. Nyamin Shrao.
Oma senior sabe ya kono. Ama Kumawood no wapeja na mae. Nyame nhyira. Mr. Zak, manu betia oba pachemi. I love you. The pewasem bando kurane kano. Etele. Yeah? NFA. In the last 4 years now, I'm fairly poto. Thank God, what's up with Kahon? I'm expecting, say, and can some name ban, oh, ya bay, some more jetia. No failure, and no yin word. Oko see a 4 years, your new office waha. Ya more another mandate, your new office waha. Zak, dear, now with the marshal region. Yea, they will call ye. A dear, now what dear my yang. Oh, my, hey. Zak, Mami Musao. Me, Aquasinia met a miracle. You're parroting a movie. May the letter Abama Asok be a board member. Musana said, dear, why I found. Makunto kwa your platform.
Zak, Bacho, my wife and Kohana questions never also.
But I start here can be. My man replay, don't worry. But some who says Zak, Mama say, maybe your board member, your parroting me move me, Samonia Mitchell. And I'm the letter Breno as a chairman. Said TV station where parroting me move, parroting move, parroting movie. I didn't why. Ma kunto kwa platform no so me because I feel some tete. Now we a leader, we na we lead you. Na say me miracle parroting me move na wan nya hwe a. Omo ma kan de na be. Enu ti no Mr. Zak, ti asese u lead yen. O sum yen. We a servant o sum yen as a leader. Enti wo no o sum yen no de be kan na say we. Na wan nya bibia ma yen a. Ebeden etimi aboa yen ama adwuma na timi akonkan. Ennei se me yesini ne ye parity na me yesini na se ye fa ne kwa. Emfaso ben na me de be menya. Nigeria ni ye parity ni movie a ofiti asese odi team crofo atemi. 2 days and the NFA for mu fiti asese mu take action. Mr. Zak, nyame ni nukura ni omwa yen. Wo ya de Samikasa onya dia na meboa. Why you no more but I say ultimate man now boy because any leadership will be an efata we dia man. E dey na we dia boy. So modern boy. And the famous remo mesna say Jumadi aye dia regional minister dia mayen. E yesa kamo na moye. Enti mu kura man ye no mo faili dada. Eti mu pa ye ya regional minister awo fufu awie na waya abunabuna ode nkwan agu ho a sabre ye di mo say di atinye efi say NFA ba ye gardener me yi wasi nchen kakra be sa ko Zak so NFA 4 years now ho ya hunu sa meeting we bi wo hada wasa ko ka o 2 years ya hunu hwe Zak, a dear in a more yet ya boy. As a moment to me and your Maya, who said Jaya boy chrono. Zak, no query me enemy, Kikao, yes, sir. Dabian to know. Kumasi for a little will become. Adia Bakua make a chat to one Martinez and say, NFA. Samupo. Samumpo Kumawood no abatina the basic di anaya
ti Kumawood forward am ha
abatina Kumawood no abatina hwa Kumawood no se wo kan NFL no mo abofunu omo I have so many platforms I mean kasampa ho Roma president and mention Kumawood no. Omaka so many words, me pese me kasa platforms. Kumawood na betina because Kumawood no and you be the force of Kumawood ne ba yo. E onyame na drop that name. Edi no a trendy ye ho hwe nya de be. Aden na momfa. Aden na mumfa Nollywood yen one buy yo omo de buy no mo ho ahi eye ade a na ka ba bia e se omo accept no omo accept omo fa ye hwe bi ti se Bollywood enye no omo na head as omo fa o ye wo Bollywood and wo India but Bollywood ne trending omo fa Hollywood obi na de buy Hollywood no I dey a trending da fa Kumawood je na mo ya fa ho mumfa na mumfa kam project
yeah that's it and
wo ninjuma oye efa inmates no it takes someone who has passion or whatever and na obi a odonipa wonipa hodo na wa to go out of a way to sacrifice and make time to teach others. Tepacho, let's all appreciate Ejuma.
Yeah, Moyens, Emma Mesdia production. Ewo Juma Swa Omudi Ghana prisons, especially Ashanti region.
Now to answer the question, so we are here for a reason. Yamba keke say ye ba be hwe de ekoso. Say honorable minister and our D can ye and I say yen and I ba be in second and third. Ya ba no de na ya ba. Nti enfa wo say obi asase National Film Dialogue in Accra. Again, honorable minister baby madams here. We had this conversation that we're going to bring National Film Dialogue here. If God is being good, that's the honorable minister has taken the initiative to put all of us together. It doesn't matter whether they did it first or we did it second. Baba, we didn't even get a flight. The other way, 4 a.m. the driver was on. We hit the road, I think 4:30 or so, because there was no way I was going to miss it. I want to put it out there, and I stand on authority from NFA that Kumawood counts. If they don't count, we won't be here. Everything that we do and that we have come in office so far, we have involved Kumawood in everything that we do, from our board representation to our film development fund representation to opening an office here. There are discussions, sir. Nyema mo complaining no nyema ayatete. Ye pese ye yabanu ya ye intino. Again, make us say minim say there were lots of mistakes, your predecessors, no. Nobody is perfect. Yes, you bet me about your mistakes, maybe. But to do the same mistakes that the previous authority was doing would be a malice, to all of us. So we're trying to right the wrongs that were being done to make sure it is an all-inclusive film industry and not segregate anybody. Everyone matters. Kumawood, if not for anything at all, has been a long-standing force in the Ghana film industry, even stronger than other movie industries or sectors that I'm not comparing, but we know when we are selling movies, Kumawood comes with a big force that nobody can deny. So from opening an office to make sure that you get your due in our cake that the government is giving us, and to make sure, say, Yabema and Yama, Ebia office asema or Mercy Asiedu kai. You don't have to travel all the way to Accra. Ya dreaming now. Send your beya monante mube tietia. Obri fisunyani ya enya so beba Accra obeba ha. Inti your plans mu. Enya dia afeni ya ba bedre ho. Ye nyayanka ya ye de da. Pati aba no de ye beye hu adwuma. That's.
Yes, that's Nyamishra. Zak. Yeah, Papa Miracle, ebisa questions being to Wadarama Ubeya no amaye.
Thank you. The education ASOP yebepie registration. The jury say any Miracle Films nyina yebeji ASOP no na omode tabono ato registration so. Any Miracle Films and your call ASOP board so the same day. Yedru hono na omode tabono ato so. Na auditing ni niyama pii wo ha e wo so omo ye nyame ncha de we are almost through. Until by next year ASOC will open for new registration. Number 2, niyama NFA aye abusiafo send your suffer kind NFA di by 5 to 6 years. NFA ba ye Emrano actually structures ahodoɔ regions any districts also ɔmo hyehyɛ. Na ɛnam sɛ NFA aban ɛna funding NFA ɛyɛ aban agency. Enti NFA no edi ɔno own source bi a obetumi de adi dwuma. Kɔpem sɛ aban ɛna bɛma ɔmo resources. First NFA about 2020. Gardner abeto said the entire office vehicle one kura omunibi budgetary allocation ya allocate edema NFA secretariat me na me board me nka secretariat no ho sika e was abantwa edema secretariat eye adwuma Gardner nie for 4 good years aban ntwa sika amom no budgetary allocation nanso ne nyina mu no may simplify achievement so far. Number 1, NFA aye Africa Summit aye Ashanti. The whole Africa ebin see that Africa Film Summit nienu under the leadership of Juliet Asante. Ena NFA aye Kumasi fuo bebre minim ebima omo attend it was a national program. Number Accra ni aye no. I'm coming. Meba, miracle, nyabutre. Meba, no, wait, meba. Medic, thank you. Meda say, NFA na American, a national authority. And I'm actually say, Sabria Minomuka say, this is the first time a government of Ghana allocated Ska Ediama NFA. This is the first time NFA. Enya fund 20 million. Yeah, President Mahama announced so yeah. Yeah, afei and I'm paying for Edu Hujuma is one of our achievements. Number 3, NFA a tax incentive policy. Yeah, okwa kra camera. Ube just the incentive amount a nationwide. Sani nyina ya tintim, but opening himself. I just a parliament. I endorse one sir. They say I could do parliament. Very soon, opening your way. They will endorse eba boa siditwafo nyina ewa Ghana. National Film Dialogue. National Film Dialogue. Yeah, yema sinifo akonya. No machira omagine. It was national. That was Enuna minister attending yeno. Lewin a lot of people from Kumasi because it's national. What I want to say, they say, so far NFA are national programs. Omunye regional program. The only regional programs here are sensitization on the LI. Yaya Baku Kumase, our Golden Bean Hotel. Yaya no Golden Bean Hotel. Sinifu Amwa, Ebi attendee. I think you are Golden Bean Hotel and a program. And wachi Yaya Baku Tamale and a Baku Accra. Beside LI.
Me pacho national ye kasa de national enye nkran kwa na yetibia national de taw se ye matumi ye 2 ana se de a first one mo ye na kra national second one mo betumi aba enu kuma se ye national de wo ko se ye
my whole point no I understand you miracle
Ufi Kumasi ana akasa asem ufi Kumasi na akasa asem
Let us say, me free Kumasi. Let's say the record street. Maybe let us say the record street.
Zak.
Boss, let's say the record street.
Zak,
Zak, Ufi Ashanti
Mr. Mukunya Abutre.
Yes, sir, Mashubana was a
Abutre.
You go to Mao.
How dare you? How dare you?
Wayosi Abutre, Mammy Mr.
What else you call
Mr. Mo.
Who got us in your mother?
My darling, sweetheart, Nabutre, Mammy. Madaruma.
On free or ground,
Madaruma.
Who can't be the Mama Kumasi a poem tia? Senior Juma, I can see you now, Kumasi the free. Your Portuma now call Kumasi. Etika, Muya Baku, Accra.
Mr. Namiche Abutre. Abotre.
Who he pa?
Abotre.
Me catch who he? Kumasi and Apachao.
Me pacho me microphone no. Prophet. Akumya to me microphone the mama Mr.
Me pacho.
Oh, he na Mr. Wadaroma. Mr. Wadaroma mo fa microphone the mama.
National na mo ya
yes, madam. Yeah, pray for Ashanti region. Eti na nyame ama ya akoda nyansani no.
Ashanti region. Yes, we are good.
Medasi.
You bet me national there wa ha.
Yo. Medasi nyame Israel. Abusia for Mr. Madaroma. Yen na yenya ye ho abotre. Ashanti region na Mr. Ewo ye ntem. Mr. Mo ma ye